Welcome to the Sigma Magic software. In this module, we will solve an optimization problem using Sigma Magic software. Note that Sigma Magic software uses the Excel solver function to perform the optimization. The problem we are considering is to find the minimum cost of a diet based on certain constraints. There are 4 variables, 1 objective function and 4 constraints. Add the optimization template to your workbook by clicking on Stats and then Optimization. Click on Update Inputs to specify the options. First we specify the number of variables. We need to select how much of each item we need to consume. Since there are 4 items, we will use 4 variables. Since no limits are specified for each item, we will select a relatively large range from 0 to 20 for each item. Second, we specify the objective function, which is the cost. The total cost is the number of brownies times the cost of the brownies plus the number of ice cream times the cost of ice creams and so on. We specify the objective as minimization. Third, we specify the constraints specified in the problem, that the total calories should be greater than 500. The total chocolate is greater than 6. The total sugar is greater than 10 and the total fat is greater than 8. Finally, we select LP simplex to solve the problem since the objective and constraints are linear. Click on OK to save the changes and perform the optimization. The model is built in the inputs area and the optimization results are shown in the outputs area. The text output from the analysis can be found in the notes section. From this section, we can see that the optimal solution is 3 ice creams and 1 cola. The graphs sections shows the optimal solution and clearly, the objective functions are all linear. The conclusion clearly shows that an optimal solution has been found and it satisfies all the constraints. That's all there is to performing optimization using Sigma Magic software. Check out the other modules in this series to learn more about the different capabilities of the Sigma Magic software. Thank you for watching.